Assalamu alaikum everyone. As promised with my students, I'm going to create one video for you guys where I will be teaching you how to draw a pie chart. Okay, looking at this data, 90 people were asked what their favorite genre of music was. The results are as shown in the table. So these are the kind of musics that people like, and the frequency is given like 33 people like rock music, 36 like pop, 7 like jazz, 10 like rap, and 4 are in others. So what we have to do is to create a pie chart, we need the angles, right? Because pie chart is made using angles, and for that we need a formula for the angle of sector, which is angle of sector is equal to category value divided by total value. Now as we are finding the angle, what we will do is we will multiply this fraction with 360 degrees. Okay, now looking at what these terms in this formula mean, let's see how many people like rock music. That's 33, and out of how many? This 33 is basically the category value, and how many from how many, this is the total, where you will be adding 33, 36, 7, 10 and 4, and you are gonna get 90. You can look at the question, there's also given 90. Even if it was not given in the question, you can simply add all of this to get the total. So let's try it for the first one. 33 over the total value is 90, and you have to multiply it with 360 degrees. Now this 0 cancels with this 0. 9 1 is 9, 9 4 is 36, 4 3 is 12, 4 3 12 13 1 32 degrees. See, it's a very easy process to find the angle. So I will write here angle of sector is 132 degree. Similarly, you will be finding the angle of sector for pop, jazz, rap and others, and you will get, as I have solved it, so you also have to solve and get the answer. 144 degree, 28 degree, 40 degree and 16 degree. Let me tell you how can you reassure your answer is correct. You can add all these angles and you will get 360 degrees. If it's so, that means you are doing it correctly. Now we will learn to draw the pie chart using these angles. Okay, now to draw a pie chart, you need a compass and a protractor plus a ruler also. You can use the protractor as ruler. So what you have to do is you have to draw a circle of any radius. That's up to you. Let's do it here. Okay, so this is my circle which I drew. You also have to draw such circle, and you have to mark your center. Like this was my center, so I am marking it. Now what I will do is I will draw a radius. Radius is the length from center to circumference, which is this one. Make sure your pencil is sharp enough so it is much accurate. Okay, so this is the radius. Now what we will do is, let's look at the first angle. Now that's up to you. If you want to you draw for 28 degree first, 40 degree first, 132 degree first, that's completely up to you. I'm going in sequence, so I will be drawing 132 degree first. So now you require your protractor. Okay, now please look at how I'm using the protractor so that you can also use it with precision. There is an intersecting line on your protractor which you have to keep on the center point, and make sure this line is over the other line on the protractor. Like these two lines should be lying on each other like this. See, this is how accurately you can draw it, like this. Okay, now is I have to mark the 132 degree angle. So I will be using the inner scale, because see the outer scale is starting from 180, then 170, 160. I will be starting from 0, right? So where is 130? First I identify 130. 130 is here, you have to mark 132. So it will be, I'm sorry, it will be 131, 132 right here. Mark a small dot over here, right? Now what you have to do is you have to connect this center, keeping the point in line with the center, and draw the radius till here like that. Okay, now I will keep the protractor in such a way, I will simply rotate it, like see, I rotate it, and now this baseline will be the one I will be using for the next angle. Again I am keeping the intersecting line in the center, this line is lying over the other line, and then I have to come up with 144 degree angle. Next is 144 degree angle. Again you have to look at the inner scale. This is the inner scale, right? So you have to mark 144. 140 is here, so 144 will be right here. 1 2 3 4 right here, right? Let me show you. 144 will be right here. Okay, now let's connect it with the center again, like this. Yes, this is how we do it. Okay, next again we have to rotate our protractor like this. Okay, like this, and this time we have to mark 28 degrees. So it will be like 28 degrees is 20 is over here, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 is over here, 26, 27, 28. This is your 28 degree mark. So again I will be connecting it through the center like this. Okay, next again you have to rotate your protractor like this, and this time you have to keep your protractor over here, right, like this. And now is the next angle is 40 degrees. So what I will do is I will mark 40 is over here, see, 0. Again I'm looking at the inner scale, 10 20 30 40, so it's this one. Again I will connect this center with the circumference, keeping the point in mind like this. When you come to the last part, it's obvious that this will be of course the remaining one, which is 16 degrees. This one was 40 degrees, and this one was 28 degree, and this one was 144 degree, and this one is 132 degree. This is how you draw the pie chart. And you also have to make the key for the pie chart. For that, either you can color the sectors, or you can simply write over the pie chart, like 132 degree is showing rock, and 144 degree is showing pop, 28 degree is showing jazz, 40 degree is showing rap, and the others lie in 16 degree. This is how we construct a pie chart. It's simple. Only thing you have to know is how to use the protractor carefully and correctly. I hope you will be able to understand the concept, find the angles, and then come up with the pie chart.